Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're about to explore how to maximize the impact of Business Central. The title of our presentation is Maximizing Business Central Impact: Strategies for Operational Excellence and Continuous Improvement. We'll discuss ways to unlock value, boost efficiency, and drive innovation throughout your organization. Over the next few slides, we'll cover key strategies and practical insights to help you achieve these goals. Let's get started. Now, let's take a closer look at how you can leverage your investment in Business Central to drive meaningful results. First, Business Central really helps in guiding your workflows. It's not just about managing tasks, it's about making sure those tasks are aligned for maximum efficiency across all your business functions. By doing this, you can ensure better outcomes because your processes are optimized for performance. Next, it's important to recognize that Business Central can uncover hidden value opportunities. Sometimes, there are areas within your operations that you might not be fully aware of. These are the opportunities for improvement and growth. Using Business Central, you can identify these areas, which then enhances your decision-making and strategic planning. This way, you maximize the potential of your investment in the system. Finally, Business Central has the power to revolutionize how your organization operates. It's not just about solving current challenges, it's about transforming your processes to be more streamlined and responsive to future demands. By doing so, you're setting the stage for continuous improvement and sustained success. Welcome to this overview of today's presentation. We're going to focus on how to maximize the impact of Business Central through strategies that drive operational excellence and continuous improvement. This session aims to help you rethink your current BC investment and explore practical ways to enhance its value for your organization. We'll start by discussing how to enhance your BC investment, including some key housekeeping pointers. These are simple but effective practices to maintain and optimize your BC environment, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently over time. Next, we'll look at learning from other organizations, understanding how different companies have adapted their BC usage to better meet their needs. This can provide valuable insights and inspiration for your own approach. Finally, we'll explore how to spot opportunities, ways to use Business Central differently and more effectively. Recognizing these opportunities is crucial for unlocking additional value and staying ahead in your industry. Throughout this session, the main theme is about continuous growth and smarter utilization of Business Central to achieve operational excellence. So, let's dive in and explore these strategies together. Now, let's take a closer look at our learning objectives for today's session. The first key point is understanding the tools available from Microsoft and our trusted partners that can support and enhance your Business Central ecosystem. These tools are essential for driving efficiency and unlocking new opportunities. Next, we want to explore the specific areas within your Business Central environment that are ripe for improvement. Identifying these areas allows you to target your efforts effectively and maximize the value of your solution. Another important aspect is assessing whether your Business Central implementation was a one-time project or part of an ongoing journey. This perspective helps you plan continuous improvements and stay aligned with your evolving business needs. Finally, we need to consider what kind of organization you are, whether you're a small business, a mid-sized enterprise, or a large corporation, and understand how that influences your Business Central usage. Your organizational type shapes your approach and priorities, so recognizing this helps tailor your strategies for success. All these points come together to support our overarching theme: maximizing Business Central's impact through operational excellence and continuous improvement. Let's take a closer look at how your teams interact with Business Central on a daily basis. This interaction is a crucial factor because it helps us determine which features and processes we should prioritize for optimization or expansion. By understanding these daily interactions, we can better tailor Business Central to fit your unique operational needs. When considering which features to focus on, It's important to think about your industry and how complex your operations are. For example, a manufacturing business might have different needs than a retail operation. Next, consider the scale and scope of your business central deployment. Are you a small team or a large enterprise? The size can influence what to focus on first. Your business goals and growth plans are also key. If you're planning to expand or enter new markets, your system needs to support that growth effectively. And of course, how your teams interact with Business Central daily is fundamental. This gives us insight into what's working well and what might need adjustment. Ultimately, understanding your organizational context helps us customize Business Central so it delivers maximum value and supports your ongoing success. Now, let's look at some of the operational improvements we've achieved since going live. These are designed to enhance our day-to-day efficiency and ensure we're getting the most out of Business Central. First, we've integrated the Outlook add-in, which makes communication much smoother by allowing us to access and manage emails directly within the platform. This kind of seamless communication is vital for staying connected and responsive. Next, there's an exciting update coming this fall, the Payables Agent. This automation tool will handle accounts payable tasks, reducing manual effort and increasing accuracy. Automation like this helps us save time and minimize errors. Speaking of errors, we've introduced autofill features that significantly cut down manual input mistakes. These small improvements add up to a more reliable and efficient workflow. We've also enhanced our sales processes with the new Sales Agent functionality. This streamlines how we manage sales activities, making the process more consistent and easier to handle. Overall, these operational improvements are all about making our daily work more efficient, improving communication, and laying the foundation for continuous growth and success. Let's talk about the realities of data entry in Business Central. One of the key areas to assess is how Business Central integrates with Microsoft 365 and other platforms. Understanding these integration points is crucial because they allow us to sync data seamlessly across systems. When we identify where these connections exist, we can pinpoint opportunities to streamline processes, saving time and reducing the chances of errors creeping in. Next, let's consider automation opportunities. There are often repetitive tasks involved in data entry that can be automated. By evaluating these areas, we can implement automation solutions that free up valuable time and minimize manual effort, leading to increased efficiency. It's also important to assess the volume of manual data entry. Knowing how much data is entered manually into Business Central and connected systems helps us understand where bottlenecks or errors are most likely to occur. Finally, manual data entry remains a significant challenge when it comes to efficiency and accuracy. The more manual input required, the higher the risk of mistakes and delays. Recognizing these realities allows us to target improvements that not only save time, but also improve data quality, supporting our overall goal of operational excellence. Let's talk about managing users and licenses effectively. One key point is syncing users between Business Central and Microsoft 365. This helps us maintain consistency across the platforms, ensuring that the right people have access to the right tools without any confusion. Using the Microsoft 365 Admin Center is essential for assigning licenses and monitoring their usage. It provides a centralized way to manage who has what, making it easier to stay on top of licensing costs and compliance. Security groups are also crucial in this process. They help us control access to different parts of our system, ensuring that only authorized users can see sensitive information or perform certain tasks. Proper access control is fundamental to maintaining security. Additionally, tools like Microsoft Entra ID play a vital role in identity management. They help us securely manage user identities, making onboarding and offboarding smoother while safeguarding our environment. Overall, effective user and license management is not just about keeping things organized. It's a critical component of security and cost control, aligning with our goal of operational excellence and continuous improvement. Now, let's talk about managing outages and notifications. It's crucial to have a clear process for reporting outages, checking sessions, restarting environments when needed, and setting up notifications. This helps us stay ahead of issues and maintain smooth operations. Next, monitoring system health is vital. By keeping an eye on telemetry data, we can assess system performance and quickly identify any anomalies that might impact our users or business processes. Handling security group memberships efficiently is also key. Proper management ensures that the right people have the appropriate access, which enhances security and streamlines onboarding and offboarding procedures. Ensuring our system updates and version control are streamlined is another important aspect. Regular updates keep our environment secure and up to date, while effective version control helps us manage changes without disruptions. Managing environments and access permissions effectively ties into this. Proper environment management ensures that different teams work in the right settings without interference, and access control keeps our data secure. Finally, centralizing control over new employee onboarding with Business Central simplifies the process. It allows us to manage onboarding consistently and efficiently, ensuring new hires are set up smoothly and quickly integrated into our systems. All these strategies connect back to our overall goal: maximizing Business Central's impact by achieving operational excellence and fostering continuous improvement. Let's take a closer look at understanding the BC Admin Center. This slide highlights how you can maximize the impact of Business Central by focusing on operational excellence and continuous improvement. One key aspect is managing your preview test environments, or PTEs, through extension management. This gives you a lot of control over testing and deploying updates safely. Speaking of updates, scheduling them thoughtfully is crucial. You want to decide whether to apply updates immediately or wait until the next Business Central update cycle. This approach helps you minimize disruptions to your daily operations. It's all about planning ahead to keep things running smoothly. Now, when we talk about key update streams, there are a few important ones to keep in mind. These include Microsoft's core Business Central platform updates, updates for AppSource apps, and managing your PTEs via extension management. Each of these streams plays a vital role in keeping your system current and reliable. And remember, the BC Admin Center is your central hub for managing all these updates and environments. It's where you can oversee and coordinate your management activities effectively, ensuring your Business Central environment stays optimized and aligned with your business goals. Now, let's talk about how data can be connected to Power BI apps for visualization. This connection allows us to turn raw operational data into meaningful, easy-to-understand visuals. By doing so, we enable proactive management, meaning we can identify issues early and make data-driven decisions rapidly. This approach promotes continuous improvement across our business processes. When we focus on visualization and management, it becomes clear that operational data is emitted to storage locations where it can be accessed and analyzed. This data emission and storage are crucial because they serve as the foundation for generating insights. These insights help us spot errors, track performance issues, and understand data volume and usage patterns. By analyzing these aspects, we can optimize our operations, improve efficiency, and prevent potential problems before they escalate. Overall, connecting data to visualization tools like Power BI transforms our operational data into actionable intelligence, supporting our goal of operational excellence and ongoing improvement. Now, let's dive into how telemetry can help us maximize the impact of Business Central by focusing on operational excellence and continuous improvement. Leveraging telemetry allows us to identify bottlenecks in our processes, helping us pinpoint exactly where issues might be slowing us down. It also enables us to optimize resource allocation, making sure we're using our assets in the most effective way possible. Plus, telemetry plays a key role in enhancing the user experience by providing insights into how users interact with the system. When we talk about benefits, One of the main advantages is that telemetry offers overall system health indicators. These indicators serve as a kind of health check for our system, helping us monitor performance and quickly spot any areas that might need attention. This continuous monitoring is crucial for keeping operations smooth and responsive. In Business Central, we can access usage statistics across different users and features directly through telemetry. This gives us a clear picture of how the system is being utilized, which features are most popular, and where there might be room for improvement. And to take it a step further, telemetry integrates seamlessly with Power BI. This integration provides us with powerful insights. Think of it as a dashboard that shows us system performance metrics in real time. These metrics help us understand not just what's happening, but why it's happening, enabling us to make data-driven decisions that enhance our operational efficiency. Let's talk about keeping your finger on the pulse of your Business Central environment. To truly maximize its impact, you need effective strategies for operational excellence and continuous improvement. Now, one key aspect is leveraging external specialized tools for advanced analytics. These tools can help you evaluate the value of your monitoring efforts by looking at things like cost savings, simplifications, and improvements in customer satisfaction. For more interactive insights, Power Apps is a fantastic option. You can create dashboards that allow you to visualize your data in real time, making it easier to spot trends and issues quickly. On the other hand, for more straightforward tracking, Excel remains a reliable tool. It's simple, familiar, and effective for basic monitoring needs. When considering which tools to use, think about customizing your monitoring processes to fit your organization's unique requirements. Whether your approach is simple or complex, the goal is to keep a close eye on your Business Central health and usage. This could involve anything from basic checks to more detailed, automated processes. What really matters is that you stay proactive in identifying and addressing potential issues before they escalate. Now, let's look at how we can effectively track and manage user requests. Facilitating user support and feedback is crucial because it helps us understand what your users need and where improvements are necessary. By managing these requests through this platform, we can ensure that support is responsive and that feedback is collected systematically. This continuous feedback loop supports ongoing enhancement of your Business Central environment, making sure it evolves in line with your business needs. Next, it's important to consider compliance and compatibility. Managing user requests this way helps us keep your system compliant with regulations and compatible with various updates or integrations. It's about making sure everything works smoothly without risking compliance issues. Another key point is streamlining app discovery and deployment. With a structured approach to managing requests, we simplify how new apps are discovered and deployed within your system. It reduces delays and helps ensure the right solutions are implemented efficiently. Finally, I want to highlight the value of the centralized store for Business Central apps. Business Central's AppSource serves as a one-stop shop for solutions, extensions, and apps. This central repository makes it easier to find, evaluate, and deploy the tools you need to extend and optimize your Business Central environment. All of these strategies, tracking requests, ensuring compliance, streamlining deployment, and utilizing AppSource, align with our overall goal of operational excellence and continuous improvement. When deciding whether to rely on free apps or invest in paid solutions, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of each. Free apps can be tempting, but I always recommend looking closely at the publisher's reputation. A reputable publisher typically offers better support options and reliability. Next, take a moment to examine the user reviews and insights. The number of reviews and their rankings can give you a good sense of the app's quality and real-world performance. Remember, a high volume of positive reviews usually indicates a trustworthy solution. Additionally, check when the app was last updated. An app that's current shows ongoing support and compatibility with the latest systems, which is crucial for smooth operations. Finally, I want to highlight Microsoft's AppSource. It's a vast marketplace with over 7,000 apps, including those that extend Business Central's functionality and services. Exploring AppSource can open up a lot of opportunities to enhance your business processes efficiently and confidently. Now, let's take a look at some of the AppSource app types and examples that can help us maximize the impact of Business Central. These are trusted options designed to meet common business needs effectively. First, we have Microsoft Functional Apps, which are great for extending monitoring capabilities across your operations. They help you keep a close eye on key performance indicators and system health. Next, we have Telemetry apps, which are essential for optimizing your production workflows. They provide valuable insights that can streamline processes and improve efficiency. Lastly, there are manufacturing apps, which enhance your accounting and reporting capabilities, giving you better visibility into your manufacturing operations. By leveraging these app types, we can focus on operational excellence and continuous improvement, key themes of this presentation, by selecting the right tools to support our specific needs. Now, let's talk about how to maximize the impact of Business Central by implementing effective strategies for operational excellence and continuous improvement. One important aspect is ensuring that our BC and Power BI licenses are properly aligned. This alignment guarantees that users have the right level of access to the data, insights they need to perform their tasks efficiently. When we consider Power BI licenses, options like Pro and Premium per user come into play. These licensing options give us flexibility depending on our organization's size and reporting needs. On the other hand, Business Central offers various license types, including Premium Full User, Essentials Full User, Device Licenses, Team Member, and Attached Licenses. Understanding these helps us choose the right combination for our team. It's also crucial to consider licensing considerations for Business Central itself, ensuring we stay compliant and optimize costs. Now, Power BI apps don't replace BC, they complement it. They provide advanced analytics and reporting capabilities that help unlock deeper insights. The purpose of integrating apps with BC is to empower users to analyze data more thoroughly, make informed decisions faster, and continuously improve our operations. So, by aligning licenses correctly and leveraging Power BI apps effectively, we can significantly enhance our Business Central experience and drive ongoing success. Let's take a closer look at the licensing overview. First, we have the Pro and Premium per user options, which are designed to add analytics capabilities. These licenses enable data-driven decisions, helping your team leverage insights directly within Business Central. Next, we have Power BI licenses, which are tailored for light users. These are ideal if you need basic reporting and visualization without the full functionality. Then there are Team Member licenses, provided through independent software vendors, or ISVs. These are perfect for shared device access, making collaboration easier across your organization. Moving on, device licenses support core business processes, allowing multiple users to access Business Central from shared devices without needing individual licenses. For users requiring comprehensive functionality, we have Essentials Full User licenses. These provide the full suite of features necessary for most business operations. And finally, the Premium Full User licenses are designed for more advanced needs, such as manufacturing or service management, offering specialized capabilities. Overall, understanding these options helps us ensure the right licensing strategy to maximize Business Central's impact, supporting operational excellence and continuous improvement throughout your organization. Now, let's talk about how personalization and configuration in Business Central can really help us maximize its impact. On this slide, we're focusing on some key strategies for achieving operational excellence and continuous improvement. First up, troubleshooting tools are essential for resolving session issues efficiently. They help us identify and fix problems quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping our operations smooth. Next, page scripting allows us to customize the behavior of pages to better fit our specific workflows. This means we can tailor the system to work the way we work, making it more intuitive and efficient. Then, there's page layout customization, which enables us to personalize pages and layouts, ensuring that the most relevant information is front and center for each user. Finally, my settings provide individual users with the ability to set their own preferences. This personal touch helps improve user experience and productivity. All these elements, troubleshooting tools, behavior customization, layout personalization, and user preferences, are about making Business Central work better for each of us. They are vital in creating a system that adapts to our needs, supports continuous improvement, and drives operational excellence across the organization. Now, let's take a closer look at how the web client enhances ongoing management and drives operational excellence. First, the web client supports static data control and reporting, which are essential for maintaining data accuracy and consistency. By streamlining these processes, we can reduce manual data entry, minimizing errors and saving time. This means your team spends less time correcting mistakes and more time focusing on strategic tasks. Next, the web client leverages telemetry monitoring. This feature helps us identify busy work and inefficiencies by providing real-time insights into system usage and workflows. With this information, we can target areas that need improvement and optimize our operations accordingly. Finally, the web client also facilitates annual license reviews. Regular reviews ensure that we're compliant with licensing agreements and help us optimize costs by adjusting licenses based on actual usage. Overall, these capabilities align perfectly with our goal of continuous improvement, helping us maximize the impact of Business Central and achieve operational excellence. Let's take a closer look at how we can reduce manual data entry by focusing on 3 key techniques. First, enhancing data quality is essential. When data is accurate and reliable, it leads to better decision-making and makes our operations much more efficient. Improving data management also simplifies our reporting processes, which means less time spent on data corrections and more time on strategic tasks. Next, simplifying reporting is crucial. By implementing controls to manage static data properly, we can prevent errors before they happen. This helps ensure the data we rely on is accurate and consistent, reducing the need for corrections and rework. Finally, automating repetitive tasks using Business Central features and integrations can save us significant time. Automating routine activities not only reduces manual effort, but also minimizes human error, boosting overall efficiency. All of these strategies align with our goal of operational excellence and continuous improvement, helping us get the most out of Business Central and streamline our workflows. Now, let's talk about how targeted improvements can really drive both financial benefits and higher customer satisfaction. When we focus on specific areas for enhancement, we not only save money, but also create a better experience for our customers. By leveraging Business Central's tools and telemetry insights, we can identify where inefficiencies are creeping in and then implement focused improvements to address those issues directly. This means that with better data accuracy and automation of processes, our reporting becomes more reliable and decision-making becomes quicker and more informed. As a result, the quality of customer service improves because we can respond faster and more accurately to their needs. Streamlining workflows is another key piece. By reducing manual data entry, we minimize errors and accelerate our operations. This leads to cost reductions because we're working more efficiently and wasting less time and resources. Ultimately, achieving these savings and boosting customer satisfaction comes down to simplifying our business processes and making sure we're using our systems in the most effective way possible. When we do this well, it creates a win-win situation, cutting costs while making our customers happier. When we talk about refining workflows, the goal is to make our operations more agile and gain a competitive edge. Small improvements in how we structure our processes can lead to significant advantages in the marketplace. Embracing new applications from AppSource and automating repetitive tasks are key strategies here. By doing so, we not only save time but also increase efficiency, freeing up resources to focus on more strategic initiatives. To identify what needs changing, we need to analyze telemetry data, gather user feedback, and look at operational metrics. These insights help us pinpoint areas where improvements can make the biggest impact, ensuring our efforts are targeted and effective. This mindset shift, thinking continuously about improvement, helps us avoid stagnation. It encourages us to keep evolving and adapting, which is crucial for staying competitive in today's fast-paced environment. Finally, innovation plays a vital role in unlocking Business Central's full potential. We should challenge legacy processes and explore new ways to leverage BC's capabilities. By doing so, we can truly maximize the value and efficiency of our systems, driving our business forward. Let's take a moment to explore AppSource, which is a great resource for finding apps that can extend Business Central's functionality. However, it's really important to perform thorough due diligence, checking the quality, support, and reviews of these apps before integrating them into your environment. Next, leveraging Power by Apps and Telemetry dashboards can be incredibly valuable for monitoring performance and system health. These tools give us real-time insights, helping us spot issues early and make informed decisions to optimize operations. Using the Business Central Admin Center is also key. It allows us to manage environments effectively, handle updates smoothly, and maintain security across our systems. Proper management here keeps everything running seamlessly and securely. Regularly reviewing license usage, telemetry data, and user activity can reveal hidden value opportunities. This ongoing review helps us understand how our system is being used and where we can improve efficiency or find new areas for growth. Finally, it's important to remember that Business Central isn't just a one-time project. It's a platform for continuous improvement. Ongoing evaluation and adaptation ensure we're always maximizing its potential and staying ahead in our operations. Let's take a look at some valuable resources that can help you maximize the impact of Business Central. First, connecting and analyzing your Business Central data with Power by is a powerful way to gain insights. You can access this resource at the link provided, which offers guidance on integrating Power by with Business Central for deeper analysis. Next, staying updated on the latest features and improvements is crucial for continuous growth. The release plan link shows upcoming updates for 2025, so you can plan ahead and leverage new functionalities as they become available. For those focused on manufacturing, there are dedicated Power by dashboards designed specifically for manufacturing insights. These dashboards help you visualize production data, track key metrics, and identify areas for improvement. And finally, if you have questions related to Business Central, there's an expert guidance resource available through Centralk AI. It's a great way to get tailored advice and support from industry experts. All these resources tie back to our overall theme of operational excellence and continuous improvement, empowering you to make smarter decisions and drive your business forward. Now, let's take a closer look at the BC Admin Center environment overview. This is really the heart of managing your Business Central setup effectively. First, one of the key functions is tracking reported outages and service health messages. Staying on top of these helps us ensure system reliability and minimize any disruptions. Next, scheduling and controlling updates is crucial. Whether it's updates for the Business Central platform itself, AppSource applications, or preview extensions like PTEs, having a clear plan keeps everything running smoothly and avoids unexpected issues. We also focus on gathering operational data, things like performance metrics, error reports, and usage patterns. This telemetry gives us actionable insights that help us optimize performance and quickly address problems before they impact users. Another important aspect is notification management. Setting up and managing alerts for updates and outages ensures that the right people are informed immediately, so we can respond swiftly and keep everyone in the loop. Lastly, monitoring our environments, whether it's production, sandbox, or test, helps us keep an eye on storage usage and capacity. This visibility is vital for preventing capacity issues and maintaining a healthy system overall. All of these functions are centralized in the BC Admin Center, which serves as a unified hub for managing your business central environments efficiently and effectively. This centralization is key to achieving operational excellence and supporting continuous improvement across your organization. Now, let's talk about how these insights help us make smarter decisions to improve both system efficiency and user experience. By leveraging data-driven insights, we can proactively detect and address integration issues or system errors before they impact users. This means keeping our system running smoothly and minimizing downtime. Monitoring transaction volumes and peak usage times is also key. By doing this, we can plan capacity and scaling more effectively, ensuring the system can handle growth without hiccups. Connecting to telemetry data storage, like Power by Telemetry app, allows us to visualize operational data in detail, giving us a clear picture of what's happening behind the scenes. Understanding user behavior is just as important. By analyzing metrics such as daily active users, session types, and feature adoption, we can see what's working well and where improvements are needed. And finally, keeping an eye on performance metrics like response times, error rates, and system health indicators helps us identify bottlenecks early, so we can resolve issues faster and keep everything running smoothly. All of these strategies come together to support our overarching goal: continuous improvement and operational excellence in Business Central. Now, let's talk about how we can use error data to drive continuous improvement. By analyzing the errors that occur, we can identify patterns and root causes, which allows us to refine our processes, improve training for our team, and even optimize our system configurations. This approach helps us become more proactive rather than just reacting to issues as they arise. Next, leveraging dashboards and logs within the Business Central Admin Center is crucial. These tools enable us to investigate issues quickly and effectively, helping us resolve problems faster and keep our operations running smoothly. Additionally, monitoring extension changes, permission modifications, and configuration validations is key to preventing disruptions before they impact our users. Regular oversight of these areas ensures everything stays aligned and functioning as intended. We also rely on telemetry data to pinpoint error sources and observe trends in how often certain issues happen. This insight allows us to focus our efforts where they're needed most and track our progress over time. Finally, understanding various error types, whether user errors, system faults, integration failures, or validation issues, gives us a comprehensive view of the challenges we face. Recognizing these categories helps us tailor our response strategies, ultimately leading to more stable and efficient operations. This all ties back to our goal of operational excellence and continuous improvement.